Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to log into your Walmart account. So first thing you have to do is open any kind of browser. Here I am using Chrome browser, and you have to go in the search bar and type www.walmart.com and press enter. This will lead you to the official website of Walmart. Here, the first thing you have to do is click on the sign in option, which is you can see in the top right corner of the website. Click in the sign in button. Then you can see another button popped in, sign in or create account. Click on sign in or create account, which will lead you to the page where your email address is required. Type your email address and click on continue. Here you can see there are 3 sign-in methods which is given to you. First is text me verification code. Second is email verification code, where your verification code will be provided to your email. Here I am using the third method, which is entering your password. So simply click on the enter your password box and enter your password. Now scroll down and click in the sign in button. Now we have been logged into our Walmart account. We can see that we have been logged into our Walmart account. So this way you can log into your Walmart account. Very simple and easy process, right? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this. Thank you. See you next time.